Hi guys, Happy New Year. This is a test I did yesterday with a tube with, these are fins. I bended half washers that I bend to create a vortex, and it's all full of shit. This one here, I've been using it for a week or two, a week maybe. And it's dirty, but it didn't create as much deposits on the tube as this one. And my pot, it's still pretty much the same. It's always like that. Every 8 hours I have to clean this. That's normal. But I'm seeing that my tube here is probably better. The oil feed was coming inside a tube that I put inside. So my copper, here's my copper oil feed coming inside, going down, and it's going in. I'll try to zoom this for you. No. Okay, it's going inside another tube there, slide fit in the center, and I have some holes all around. Okay, so it was hard to, when I removed to clean it, it was hard to align it and get it fit inside my tube, my inner coupling here that's coming out about 1.5 inches. So this time I stopped it there. I didn't put any tube inside it, only let it drip on the bottom. I put some holes on the bottom, and it didn't cook inside. I'm going to show you. It's pretty clean. Okay, there you go. A little bit of deposit on the bottom. So the oil was dripping inside, and the air was forcing it to escape the tube and burn. So I'm gonna try this again, but I'm gonna remove the fins. I'm gonna remove all those fins because it didn't heat more, it didn't change the flame. You see, I added more holes. Here I only had a couple holes, 1/4 inch. Now I put more holes, 3/16. So I'm going to try that again, but I'm going to remove the fins here so it doesn't build up on the end of the pipe. I'm going to try that all day. I'm going to clean the pot and give you results. I think we don't need the vortex or whatever. It's only air, enough air and a good amount of oil in a pot like that, and it burns very clean. It never smokes, never smokes outside, and it heats a lot. Enough for me. So I'll show you inside the heat exchanger. It's pretty clean. See the tubes there? Not too much black. It's pretty white. You see that my flame was burning on the side there because I'm always playing with this one to get it centered. It's more, I could move it where I want. So that's why the other one I'm going to build, it's going to be fixed. So it's always going to be perfectly centered in the two, in the combustion chamber, and it's going to go up to the heat exchanger centered. That's where I'm at for the 1st January 2025. So this is only, these are couplings and fittings and caps, reductors, adapters, pipe thread. This is 1.25 inches, and this is stainless steel 2 inch pipe that I welded the coupler to fit inside. So that's the only thing we need. Holes big enough for the air, depending on what air you're using. More air you have, bigger the holes, or more holes you need. And you dial that in with the heat you need, and you crank it up, and when it starts smoking and it's not hot enough, you just add some more holes, and sometimes you'll get rid of the smoke, get a clean burn, and the heat's going to be higher. And I can go very low too. I could burn this to 0. I never have any oil on the bottom left. Never. It's always dry. If it's not dry, it's because you're not burning all the way down. That's all for today. See you, folks. I'm continuing my other build. You probably saw it. Doing this one. The big tube and a bunch of tubes for heat exchanger. That's gonna be probably my last one, because I'm building it to last. Happy New Year. Bye-bye.